Hello again, friends and YouTubers. Thank you so much for stopping by. Just wanted to share this video with you on some of the work I've been doing around the house. And my wife and I decided, well, hey, you do the labor, we get the parts, and we're going to fix up this house. It only costs you less than $100 to get the wood. And man, they literally cut it for free at Home Depot. People are really nice there, very professional. Just got to make a good diagram of what you want with the parts list, and they'll help you out with the cutting. I actually put the hinges in wrong. They go to the outside where they're located. Try to keep a record of where they were to begin with. To plumb everything up here with the fence. Took a steel piece of metal that I put in there just to level out with the fence and to plumb it out. Went center out from the center and just measured each piece up, and then took off the ends and then put the hinges on, and opens up really easy. Just come right over here and reach from the top. Opens up. Took some of the old fencing. I'm going to put a little drain area down here for when it rains. Just come over here like this. Locks it in place. Can actually put a hole in there. Pull from the outside. And then come down here and lock it from the bottom. Holds it in really good. Guess I just need to finish her off. You know that old story, they took everything but the kitchen sink. Well, there's a reason for that, and I didn't realize that till one day my wife came in. I was in my booth here working on something, and she says, you know what, I think the sink collapsed in the kitchen. So I'm thinking, well, maybe it just moved a little bit, this and that. Went in there, it's almost to the bottom of the floor. Fine, we'll just move it and get another one, right? Try to move, won't budge. I'm looking at it, it is just locked between the floor and the plumbing there, between the drain pipe. You know, this thing, if you're ever gonna move one of these, you better get ready and have a back support or somebody to help you, and a floor jack, because these things are not light. Nice Glacier Bay. Had to take the older one out. It's an old porcelain sink from the 1950s. Nearly lost my back trying to move that thing out. A lot of people like to recoat them out. This took quite a bit of work. Just very simple. I'm going to refinish all this, and took out the flooring. It was all rotted away. This is a very old home. I love this place though. Put a new P-trap in there, just a single drain vent, and see if I can get up under there for you guys. Put some new wood back in there and replumbed it. P-trap, come straight down, Took the bottom out. I'm gonna put a new bottom in there. Everything works really good. No leaks or anything. Got the water going out. It's not leaking anywhere. This was the old AC that was in my recording booth in there. I can't use it because it's too noisy to record with, and the one my father had in here was just really too old. And it's a TCL, I believe it is. And it's like brand new. I never used it in the studio. It cools everything off in here really nicely. So this was the old AC, and as you can see, it's seen better days. Actually works still, but I need to clean it out and do a few things. So this is the AC running, and it's pretty quiet. I had to build a bracket up around here, and it's in there pretty good. It's really secure. It's only going to run like $3 a day, so at best maybe $2 a day for a couple of months. And I've got a fan that goes right out that door, so everything in this room is empty basically. Cleaned everything out, and that fan just pushes that cool air into the hallway, and then there's another fan out in the front, and it actually just drops the temperature down to where it's comfortable. But I really like it. Great little air conditioner, and it's in there secure, and it does its job.